Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. How is going? Alright guys, today I will talk about 10 vegetables name in English as usual, and today we have class number 3 about this topic. So let's start. Like chal kumru, wax goat, chal kumru, wax goat, pottle, pointed goat, pottle, pointed goat, law, bottle goat, law, bottle goat, mishti kumru, pumpkin, mishti kumru, pumpkin, ঝিঙে, ridge goat, ঝিঙে, ridge goat, chichinga, snake goat, chichinga, snake goat. Then badhakopi, cabbage, badhakopi, cabbage, ফুলকপি, cauliflower, ফুলকপি, cauliflower, গোল বেগুন, brinjal, গোল বেগুন, brinjal, লম্বা বেগুন, eggplant, লম্বা বেগুন, eggplant. So guys, আমি আবার প্রথম থেকে বলছি at a glance. মিষ্টি কুমড়ো, pumpkin, চাল কুমড়ো, wax goat, pottle, pointed goat, লাউ, bottle goat, ঝিঙে, ridge goat, চিচিঙ্গা, snake goat, গোল বেগুন, brinjal, লম্বা বেগুন, eggplant, বাঁধাকপি, cabbage, ফুলকপি, cauliflower. So guys, I just complete about this type of vegetables name in English and with pronunciation. So practice more and more and learn it. Allah Hafiz.